I'm Shawn Ehrstein. I'm the Director of Emerging Technologies in CAD/CAM at Wichita State University, NIAR, which is the National Institute for Aviation Research. And I oversee several labs, all involving a lot of the 3D Experience platform. So I oversee the 3D Experience Center at Wichita State. CATIA on the 3D Experience platform, just the real advantage to it is it goes so much farther than just design, right? So when you're looking at trying to do your digital thread throughout your company, you get that continuity from design to stress to manufacturing without having to leave or transfer files. You can just keep everything at the same level and work on it, and it just integrates with all the other products seamlessly. My favorite CATIA application are the surfacing tools, anywhere from the parametric surfacing capabilities to the more of the creative surfacing capabilities like Imagine and Shape, and the ability to hand stitch surfaces together. That's where I really like the strength of the CATIA products. The GDE product has helped us do things that we couldn't do before. So basically we did a lot of design work. You had a certain way you thought about design. And with the advent of some new manufacturing technologies such as additive, and the GDE product allows you to really take advantage of those. But it works not only with additive manufacturing, it also works with your traditional manufacturing. It can do a lot of work with using lightweighting capabilities. You can optimize your part for strength, you can optimize your part for stiffness, and that product continues to grow where it's getting more and more capabilities. So it's really stretching your way of thinking about design and your capabilities you can do with the product. It's a great honor to be part of the CATIA Champions Program. It just shows the amount of effort we've put in over the years, staying with the product, utilizing it, accomplishing different tasks, and just to be recognized as one of the leaders in that product is a good feeling.